Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about different types of division in Swift and how to use each one and why they're useful. So there's actually three types of divisions which I want to show you guys today. So we have regular division, we have integer division, and we have modular division, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use each one and why each one is useful. So it's not actually very different to just regular dividing, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually use each one. So regular division is just dividing two numbers, and the thing about regular division is that you need to use two floats. So if we create variable 1, so I'll just call this num1, and we'll do float 1 or 5, this can be 5, and then num2, this can be 2, and now if I divide them, so we'll just print num1 divided by num2, then this should give us 2.5, as this is going to give us 2.5, just because it's dividing two floats. And let's just wait. Okay, and you can see that gives us 2.5. Now if I just run all of that out, and I'll show you guys what integer division is. Integer division. So this is where we create two ints, and they should actually only give an integer as the final answer. 2 equals int 2, and then we will print num1 divided by num2, and this should actually only give us 2 since 5 divided by 2 is actually 2.5, but it discards any of the anything after the 2. So if I were to do 6 divided by 2, this would give me 3, since 6 divided by 2 does go perfect into 3. But if I were to do 7 divided by 2, this is going to be 3 again, because 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, which results in 3. So that's integer division, it only returns an integer. And finally we have modular division, which is basically find the remainder. So to do this, modular division, we can just create two regular numbers. So we should probably let's just get like let num1, and we will do it as a float, and we'll do it 5. Since we need to get a remainder, we have to do it as a float so that it doesn't just give us 2. So we'll do 5 divided by 2, and then finally if I print num1, and instead of a normal divide sign we have to use a percentage sign, this is going to give us the remainder. What has happened here? Maybe I need to do int then. Int. Maybe that's what I need to do. So if I try this now, we should get a remainder of 1, since 5 divided by 2 is just 2 remainder 1, and this is very useful. Okay, so now I'll explain why each one's useful. So regular, you know why regular is useful, just for calculating things. Integer division, so this is useful for an example would be, so let's just say you wanted to find the factors of a number, and we all know that the factors of the number have to be the number and 1, and then any other one has to be half a number and 2, or something like that. So we only need to get half a number. So if we did if we wanted to find a number of numbers we needed to test, we could just do this divided by this, then we'd find the half, which is just which would just give us 2 here, and we just need to test those numbers instead of testing everything, since everything after half of a number is useless since it won't be a factor. So that's the time-saving one. And then modular division, this can be useful if you want to test if a number is odd or even. So what you could do is, if you wanted to, you could do a number and then you do this sign, divide by 2, and if it gives you 0, then it would be an even number, and if it gives you 1, it would be an odd number. So those are what you use them for. That was basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!